kami. And ngayon, we are going to get our coffee because it's 4 a.m. And we're flying to Brussels. Pero meron muna kaming connecting flights. So we are flying first to Riga, and then after Riga, we are flying to Brussels. So that's our itinerary for the day. But first, coffee. Thank you.
I'm gonna do it in the takeaway bag, okay? The takeaway cup. So we can go there.
So we have 45 minutes to go to our next flight. How many hours will be our next flight?
I think it's 2.5.
2? Longer? Yeah. We flew with Air Baltic. Ang ganda ng airport nila dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan o. Airport. This is Riga Airport. Ganda. Malinis. Here, babe. Travel value. Naghahanap kasi kami ng strap for the DJI Pocket. If we can find.
On behalf of Air Baltic, thank you for choosing to fly with us. It has been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to welcome you on our flights again. Thank you. Have a good day.
We're here! Ang laki ng airport nila dito, guys. Tignan nyo. Look. So we made it! Going to the place where we will stay. Syempre, as usual, it's his sister's place again. Weather not cute, but the temperature is cute.
Oh, now
Malamig.
it's an English vlog.
Malamig! Oh eh, di magtatagalog ako. I was talking in English so you would understand. We are now here in Brussels, Belgium. Napaka-random na naglalakad ako dito sa streets na ito ng Belgium, ng Brussels. So we are raw dogging this again. Pupunta lang kami sa isang mall kasi meron lang akong kailangang bilhin. I need to buy adapter. I need to buy a small bottle of shampoo and conditioner. I hope I find the strap or the neck lace for the DJI Pocket para hindi na ako mahirapan na naghahawak. So this is where we are. Ito yung street na palabas doon sa bahay ng ate niya. So these are houses. Houses on the side of the street. Pero ganyan yung mga itsura ng mga houses nila. Almost the same like Lithuania. Pero mas modern yung sa Lithuania. Here, it's more classic. Much more traditional looking. Tomorrow, we might drive to Amsterdam. Kasi it's a parang 2-hour away drive lang siya from here. And then taste the seafood there. So, yun yung mga plans namin in this 4 days here. here in Brussels. 4 days, 3 nights kami here. Ito na, papalabas na kami ng city! Let's see what we can find! Hindi namin alam. Hindi ko alam kung nasan kami. Parang iba yung nilabasan namin. I wanna remove my watch. It's okay? We're okay? Walking around downtown, pace is fast. At naghahanap kami ng fries because ang French fries pala, hindi naman pala galing France. Dito pala siya galing. So, yun yung hahanapin namin today.
Hey, do you want to do the grease like the donut? Like
For dinner? Yeah. But we're gonna eat the fries first. Let's eat the fries for the snacks. And after that, like later, we do the Greek for dinner. Okay, so nandito na kami doon sa hinahanap namin kung saan kami mag-dinner and we are having Greek. So, we are here in the street at ayan, dyan kami kakain. It's called Plaka. Okay, it's here na. This is our food. Sobrang bilis. Parang after 5 seconds. So, this is the gyros. I ordered gyros. And then we have pita, extra pita. And then we have a plate here of different stuff. Good luck. No, I mean the meat in here is the same like that. Okay? Early in the morning and we are back in our adventure. So today we are going to Amsterdam. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. It's so sunny, it's so blue, and hindi malamig pero hindi rin mainit. What is the temperature for today? It's 24. We had a good sleep last night. Dahil pagod na pagod kami, ako halos nakatulog na ako sa sofa. Tapos, siya din, ang aga din niyang natulog. So, we had a good night's rest. Kaya, maganda yung energy namin for the day. I forgot to buy the ref magnet in Brussels. We'll be back. But I was planning to do that yesterday kasi nga diba nagko-collect ako ng ref magnets. So wala pa akong ref magnet ng Brussels. So I was planning to buy that yesterday but I forgot. And how many steps did we make yesterday, babe? 15,000?
To be sure.
To be sure, let's see. We want facts here. 18K! Ganito lang po yung makikita namin for the whole 2 hours of this travel. It's all highway. Fast speed highway. There. Ayan lang. Anyway, I will update you guys along the way and we'll take you with us again. Update! Nakapasok na kami ng Netherlands! Welcome to Netherlands! The home of what? We are going to eat lunch at The Hague and seafood yung ano namin doon, target namin. Kasi according to my very handsome jowa is when he went to The Hague in Netherlands, doon siya kumain first time ng seafood, right then? Was that the first time you ate seafood? In that restaurant that we're going now? O, diba? So, pag pupunta kayo ng Netherlands, ganito yung makikita ninyo. Kami po ay 8 minutes away na dun sa kung saan kami magla-lunch and saktong-sakto lang because it's 12:46, almost 1. Wow! Ayan yung mga nagbabike. Ang laki ng bike lane nila, oh. So big. Ah, look at that! Nakatulog ako ng 20 minutes. I took a power nap, in fairness. Talagang nakatulog din talaga ako. At welcome to Amsterdam! Everybody, we're here! Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh, ayan o. Ang daming bikers. Bikers everywhere. How was your drive, babe?
It's okay, it was chill.
Okay. Chill. You chill. I'm also chill.
Are we gonna bike?
I cannot bike with my skirt. Wala, ang ganda. Wala, nagpinta. Snake. Ala, ang ganda, oh. Wow. Naglalakad na kami in the streets of Amsterdam. And ang ganda. Napakaganda. Yun lang po masasabi ko. Ang ganda-ganda. Ganda. Ito na. Ayan o. Nandyan kami sa mga gilid-gilid ng mga canals. Ayan. Para makita nyo. Ito yung nakikita nyo sa Instagram. For the flower market kasi bibili kami doon ng mga souvenirs and then yung mommy niya kasi nagpapabili ng tulip seeds. So yun yung bibilihin namin and we have to walk fast kasi magko-close na siya in 30 minutes and we have 15-30 minutes to walk. So we are walking in the corners
Making shortcuts
of wherever we are. Tapos kanina kasi nandun na kami sa parang center. Doon, all the way there, like a center. And that's the red light district. Oh my God. Ang daming tao. So we saw a lot of that in there. Ooh. Now we are back in the nice park. You getting 20?
Yeah.
Sige, pick nicely. Because maybe some of them are rotten. Update! Ako ay haggard na dahil patapos na, pauwi na kami, okay na po. Tapos na po ang aming Amsterdam adventure for the day. Kumain kami ng burger, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo guys kasi gutom na ako kanina. I said, I need to eat, so hindi ko na kayo na-update. But kumain kami ng smash burger.
It was average.
It was average.
It did the job.
Yeah, we can find something better. And so now we are walking where we parked. And the biggest question is, how much did the parking cost?
Guess in the comments.
Guess in the comment. We met someone at some bar na pinuntahan namin na he's a local here. And he said that parking, getting a car, getting everything like basta car is expensive. That's why a lot of people ay nakabike. By making it expensive to park, to own a car, to do all that, na-force yung mga tao na mag-bike. Okay, which is healthier.
Where would you park the car?
And also, where would you park the car here? Diba? Wala din. So, that's why it's expensive. So, ayun lang. Yun lang yung mga ganap namin kanina. And also, ang hirap mag-vlog kasi sobrang daming tao dun sa nilalakaran namin kanina. Nandun lahat ng mga turista. So, medyo iniwasan namin ng konti. So, yeah. Walking. Okay, ito na. Here's the view.